Okay, I admit I just listened to a 19-minute song. And okay, I admit I'm about to listen to a 19-minute song again. Just listen to the R. Kelly song and I took a lot of things from it. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of points he was making. A lot of it'll have your emotions going left, right, up, down, BA start, contra code. You know what I'm saying? But if you take advantage of a person who can't read, has dyslexia, has such and such, but y'all keep saying he's a grown man. He is a grown man, but in the court of law, it's illegal to take advantage of someone knowing their impairments, knowing their disadvantages, knowing their handicaps. So it's kind of like, man, bruh, go listen to it. Go listen to it. And still to this day, I still listen to R. Kelly music. Still to this day, I see millions of other people listen to R. Kelly music, because Do It Till Your Legs Shaking is a top TikTok. It's top on Instagram. Y'all forget that's his song, right? All the songs that he's written for people, y'all singing them. That's R. Kelly. Yeah, cancel R. Kelly, but we gonna sing his music. Come on, man. Come on, man. Free R. Kelly, man. What happened was the people tried to play R. Kelly and fell played because they got played. You fell played because you got played, man. Y'all send y'all children, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be they at age or of age, or y'all try to fool, you know what I'm saying, make them pass. You know what I'm saying? Y'all send them to them thinking, oh man, we about to juice R. Kelly. And R. Kelly juice y'all, now y'all mad. 19-minute song. I admit I listened to it. I'm about to listen to it again. It's fire. R. Kelly, man. Free R. Kelly. That's why R&B ain't R&B right now, because y'all ain't got Robert in the month. Y'all missing the R in the B. You know what I'm saying? R&B ain't R&B right now. You hear me? So give me your